Ngiyakubona ukuthi ubuza honestly wesibonelo. Naba abantu bokuphendula. Ayobhatoma ngisabaphendula ngempela bafowethu. Ayingikhathele manje na. Phendula abantu ababuza into eqondile. Angikuphenduleke mfowethu ukuthi kungani labantu are tripping our souls ukuthi singa ascend and go back to our Father, spiritual domain. Befuna ukuthi silokhu senza amanzi ashiswe ilanga evaporate ayephezulu aphenduke lapha phezulu abamafu adrope abamanzi ashiswe ilanga abe intuthu anyuka ephezulu aphinda drop. Indaba belobe besidlalisa lo umdlalo loyo. It's because bona bazitshela ukuthi bangonkulunkulu baka physical. Yes, bawo master be physics. That is why they are even pushing the narrative ethi there's no consciousness. The consciousness is as a result of the brain activity into engekho inzululwane, because the consciousness creates the reality. Well-ke beyitshesi bengonkulunkulu basemhlabeni nje kunjalo. Phela bona they are not the all, they are not God that generates, operates and that destroy. They cannot create something out of nothing. So they need our powers. Our soul serves as the fuel for them to do whatever they want to do. The system yabo inga collapse without us bowing to it. So they don't have powers bona ngokwabo. Abanawo ama powers bona ngokwabo ayimele awaba qhamuka kubona. Abanawo lo ma powers. But depend ekuthini. That is why benza lezi zinto abazenzayo. Yabona uma ngabe kumele kube khona into abayenzayo, benza lekuthi soul harvesting. Yabona kube khona isikhathi la khona uthola ukuthi abantu bakhala kunobuhlungu obukhona. Yabona lo energy leyo it feeds to the ngoba bano god babo nabo. Bano god na demigods abo nabo. Abaxhumana nawo ababhawa kuwo obumnyama yin energy. Yabo banawo labo ama fallen angels abo. Yabo alwa nokuthi wena uascend, then ifida kwi negativity leyo nto. Thina masikhala ifida back to that's what they want. Yabo that's what they want. Ubona kukhona ingozi khala nifo i-attention yenu as a collective consciousness. Uma ni thathi attention yenu ni feed to this negativity, that is when ilapho ke la ikhona, ilapho ke isuka ibambe kahle.